Hey guys, welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how to check the bank balance in Sarva Haryana Gramin Bank. There are a lot of services to check the balance bank in Haryana. You can give a missed calls, you can provide SMS and mobile bank app and ATM. These are the services which you can get the bank balance. Make sure your mobile numbers is get registered in the bank. If not, please reach the nearest branch and register your mobile number. Then only you can get the SMS alert to your mobile number. Give a missed call to 1800 190 777 from a registered mobile. If you did this, within a few seconds you will get a SMS alert of your bank balance. You can also get it from a SMS type. Type capital BAL space your account number and send it to star double nine star 42 hash. Within a few seconds, you will get back the balance message or SMS from the bank. If you are an Android user, log in to a Play Store and download the Sarva Haryana Gramin Bank mobile app and log into the account and check the balance. If you are an iPhone user, there is the mobile bank available for iPhone iPhone users also. You can download that and log in into the personal bank and check your account balance. If you are an user and you are using internet banking, log into your account and check the balance of your current saving account or whatever any other accounts. Visit nearest ATM, enter your ATM PIN and check the balance. Now I am show you the official website of the Sarva Haryana Gramin Bank. If you see here, this is the customer care number. The number which we see before 1900 190 777, which is the official number I have given in this website, so you can call to them. Hope this video is very informative to you. If you like this video, please like us, comment us and subscribe us. Leave your queries below. Thank you.